Good morning, students. Today we shall read Honeydew, Chapter 9, The Great Stone Face 1, Part 2. Okay, we have read Part 1 in the last week. Okay, so we have to start uh, Chapter 9, Part 2. Okay, read for 5 minutes yourself. Okay. See, the years went on, and Ernest grew to be a young man. The years passed, okay? It means after many days, Ernest became a young man. He attracted little notice from the inhabitants of the valley. Means he met to the people, those who live near the valley sides. Okay? They saw nothing remarkable in his way of life except that when the labor of the day was over, he still loved to gaze upon the great stone face. Means Ernest was a great man and he became just like the others people, those who live near the valley. He done the task as a labor, and if he get the time, then he always went to visit the great stone face. Okay, यानी जब कुछ दिनों के बाद अर्नेस्ट नौजवान हुआ, वह भी लोगों की तरह काम करने में व्यस्त हो गया, लेकिन जब भी समय मिलता था वह ग्रेट स्टोन फेस के पास जाता था. ओके, their idea was that this was a folly but probable because Ernest was industrious, kind and neighbor. Miss, you know very well, Ernest was kind, lovable and industrious. Okay, and he liked to do his work betterly. Okay, next scene. They did not know that the great stone face had become a teacher to him, and that the sentiment which was expressed in it would enlarge the young man's heart and filled with it with deeper sympathies than others' heart. You know very well, when Ernest became a young man, he became popular in all over the valley side. He didn't become sentimental towards other. He always done his work on time. यानी अर्नेस्ट हमेशा की तरह वह वर्क करता था. जब भी उसे समय मिलता था वह ग्रेट स्टोन फेस के पास चला जाता था और तब तक रहता था जब तक कि वह सेटिस्फाई नहीं हो जाता था. They did not know that from the this would come a better wisdom than could be learned from books. Means every person, those who live near the valley side, they were anxious to know from where Ernest got their education. यानी जो लोग वैली साइड के किनारे रहते थे वह जानने की कोशिश करते थे कि कहाँ से इसे एक ज्ञान मिलता है. Neither did Ernest know that the thoughts which come to him so naturally in the field and at the fireside were of the higher tone than those which all men shared with him. Ernest also did not know from where he had got the knowledge. He always think he has got the knowledge from the people whom he talked in the society. यानी वह समझता था कि मेरा जो नॉलेज है मैं लोगों के बीच जाता हूँ और वहीं बात करने से ये सारी चीज़ें मिलती हैं. ओके. A simple soul, simple as when his mother first told him the old story, he beheld the marvelous face looking down the valley and still wondered why its human likeness was so long in coming. Means he was anxious to know why the face is looking towards the valley side. It was looking or resembling just like human face. Okay. यानी वह यह जानने की कोशिश करता था कि क्यों ऐसा चेहरा आज तक जो अपनी मम्मी से वह स्टोरी सुना उस समय से लेकर आज तक वैसा ही नज़र आता है जैसा कि उसकी दादी माँ ने सुना था और उसका हार्ट भी वैसा हो चुका था. ओके. बाय दिस टाइम poor Mr. Gathergold was dead and buried. His wealth, which was the body and spirit of his existence, had disappeared before his death. Since the melting means by this time poor Mr. Gathergold was dead and buried. अब तक जो मिस्टर गैदरगोल्ड जिसके बारे में लोग कहा करते थे वह मर गए और उन्हें बरीड कर दिया गया, दफना दिया गया. His wealth, which was nobody, and the spirit of his existence had disappeared before his death. It means उसके जो एग्जिस्टेंस थी, पहचान थी, वह भी समाप्त हो गई. ओके. Existence disappeared before his death, since the meeting was of his gold, and there was too much time from that day to today. Okay. Meeting, it has been generally agreed that there was no great likeness or after all between the ruined merchant and the majestic face upon the mountain. और अर्नेस्ट की नज़र में ग्रेट स्टोन फेस और उस मर्चेंट के बीच कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं था. इट मीन्स देयर वाज नो लाइकनेस बिटवीन द ग्रेट स्टोन फेस द रिच मर्चेंट. ओनली इट वाज सेन बाय द पीपल ही वाज ग्रेट मैन. हिज फेस वाज रिजेंबलिंग जस्ट लाइक द ग्रेट स्टोन फेस. ओके. It so happened that another son of the valley had become a soldier, and years before, after a great deal of hard fighting, he was now a famous commander. Another story has been recited by the other people in the valley side. A man who has taken birth, he has joined the army and he became a commander in chief. Okay, and he is also an old. That's why he want to return in his village. Okay. He was known as the battlefield by the name of Blood and Thunder. Old and tired now, he had already experienced a desire to return to his native valley. The inhabitants, his old neighbor and their grown-up children, prepared to welcome the renowned commander. Means every person of the village were preparing to welcome of that commander in chief. Okay, because they also know that his face is resembling just like the great stone face. Okay. Great therefore was the existence throughout the valley, and many people who had never once thought of glancing at the great stone face now spend much time engaging at it for the sake of knowing exactly how General Blood and Thunder looked. Means those people who are engaged in their work, they take out some time to view the person who is returning from the battlefield. Okay.